The pride chooses a spot far from the three males. But then, a huge herd of thirsty buffalo approaches. The three males are already on their feet. The buffalo move in. Matimba watches from the side. The buffalo spot the three males. Just one aggressive bull sends them running. The buffalo drive one threat away, but they don't see the other. They settle in, confident that they've banished the lions. Matimba has the advantage of surprise. Kanya comes from the other side. The cubs watch every move, ready to join their mothers when they attack. They bring down a large adult. Shinga, the little hunter, is right beside her mother. Their mothers let the youngsters take over. With feeding lions nearby, other animals are cautious. Only woodland kingfishers are content, now that they have their fishing hole back. A few hours later, the mothers are resting. The cubs are still feasting.